Hello po, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon na po. Ako po pala si Mr. Primo Aquino for candidate for senator. So po akong magbigay ng konting talumpati sa aking layunin para sa pagtakbo ko bilang isang senator. Basahin ko na lang po. Solution to our current substandard low salary, daily wage practices of current cost labor casual, and the need to uplift the low standard of living of our poverty-stricken population through. Our country today has a lot of economic problems, such as a financial crisis, high standard of living rate, aggravated by very low wage and salaries, complete by rights cost, build cost of prime commodities, and almost anything is only raised may drive the leadership of opportunity, leadership, such a vision for a better for this next generation to come. The equitable sharing, work gross production for the workers, patronage refunds for the consumers, and equitable loan declaration fund, and my formulas and procedures is a very sophisticated solution for our beloved country. Thank you.
Sir, thank you po. Enough time, 2 minutes. Meron po magtatanong? Sir, walang pong magtatanong. Okay lang, sir. Okay. Sir, tapos na po yung 8 minutes nyo. Opo. Sir, ano na lang. Hawakan. Dito po kayo.